Department of Instrumentation and Control. Today's our topic is logic gate program in the unit number 3, fundamentals of logic. As we discussed in the last session, different types of logic gate like the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and the XNOR gate. Now we have three types of basic logic gate, that is the AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So using this basic gate, what is the logic gate? The logic gate are the basic building blocks of any digital system that we have studied in the last session. It is an electronic circuit having the one or more than one input and the one output. So the relationship between the input and the output is based on the certain logic that we have to identify, and based on this logic gate are named as AND gate, OR gate and the NOT gate. So this is the types of the logic gate. We have three types of basic logic gate, that is the AND, NOT and OR. Then the universal logic gate, NAND and NOT gate, and other logic gates, that is XOR and the XNOR gate. Okay. Now today we will study about the different example using the logic gates, and then we have to draw a ladder logic diagram. So first example is developing the logic gate circuits and the ladder logic diagram for the Boolean expression. So here the Boolean expression is given. Here y is equal to a plus b into c. So first of all you have to identify which one is the output and which one is the input. So here clearly you can see that y is our output signal, y is our output signal, and a, b, c and d is my input signal. Now we have to develop a logic gate circuit and the ladder logic diagram for the Boolean expression. So first of all we have to draw a ladder logic diagram. So for that, here you can see that a plus b, that means we have to put the input a and b is in the parallel manner. Okay, then into c into d, that means the third input is c and the fourth one is the d. Both are put in the series connection and y is my output. Okay, so this is my ladder logic diagram for the particular Boolean expression. Now the next question is we have to develop the logic gate circuit. So for that here a plus b is a OR gate, so we can put here OR gate, and the input of the OR gate is a and b. Then c and d are in the series connection or in the multiplication. For multiplication we can use the AND gate. Okay, and a plus b and cd is in the multiplication, so we can put here again AND gate and then final 1. So this is my logic gate circuit for this particular Boolean expression. So this type of question is asking in the CQ exam. Now the next example is developing the logic gate circuit and the ladder logic diagram for the Boolean expression. Again the Boolean expression is given y is equal to a bar into b into c bar plus b bar into e into f. So clearly you have to identify that y is my output signal and a, b, c, d, e, f is my input signal. So first of all we have to draw a ladder logic diagram. For that first of all we have to draw a ladder logic diagram. For that a bar into b into c. So we can put a bar, that means the normally closed contact, b that means normally open contact, and c bar form. So we can put here series connection. Now D bar into E into F. So again D bar normally closed wanted. For E it is normally open, and for F again it is normally open. Now both are in connected with the parallel connection because the plus sign is given. So we can put here in the parallel, and this is my output 1. Okay, so this is my ladder logic diagram for this particular Boolean expression. If we have draw a logic gate circuit, so A bar into B into C, that means we can put here AND gate. The first input is A bar, so A, then NOT gate, then the output, then B directly given, and C bar, that means we can put here NOT gate. Okay, then plus D bar E F. Instead of NOT gate, you can put here bubble also for D bar. This is my E and this is my F input, and both are in the plus sign, means the OR gate, and Y is my output signal. Okay, so using the Boolean expression, we have draw the ladder logic diagram, and we can also draw a logic gate circuit. What is the meaning of logic gate circuit? Using the different logic gate, we have to draw a circuit diagram. Clear? Now, the next example is convert the word description to the gate symbol and the LLD. LLD means ladder logic diagram. Now, what is the question? Switch 8 and switch 11 plus either switch 22 or the switch 34 must be on for the output 67 to be on. So first of all, we have to identify which is the output and which is the input. So for that, output is 67 and input is switch 8, 11, 22 and 34. Now we have to convert this word description into the gate symbol. So first of the ladder logic diagram, switch 8 and the switch 11. That means we can put the switch number 8 and switch number 11 into the series connection plus. That means the parallel connection. Either switch 22 or switch 34 must be on. Means or means we can put the 22 and 34 in this parallel connection plus. That means we can put here 22 or 34 are in the parallel connection, must be on. If switch 8 is on, 11 is on, 22 or 34 must be on. That time which output will be on? 67 output will be on. So what is the condition? If 8 is on, 11 must be on, and 22 or 34 must be on. That time output 67 must be on. Okay, if we have to draw the gate symbol diagram, so for that 8 and 11 we can put here AND gate. Okay, and for 22 and 34 we can put here OR gate, and both are connected in AND gate. If both the conditions are satisfied, that time the output 67 to be on. Otherwise the output 67 will be off. Okay, so we have to convert this word description to the gate symbol and the ladder logic diagram. One is the XOR gate. Okay, what is the XOR gate? This is the combination of these. Okay, so this is the A or B is my input signal and Y is my output signal, and this is the truth table of the XOR gate. Now what is the equation of the XOR gate? Y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. this is the equation of this XOR gate. If we have drawn the ladder diagram of the XOR gate, so in the first rung we can put here A bar into B. As you know, the input is already complemented, so we can put here normally closed context. So this is my A input, okay, and this is my B input. Why we can put A and B in the series connection? Because here the A bar B into B is in the multiplication form, so we can put here in the series connection. So this is my A bar into B. We cannot write input as a bar. We can always write the input like A, B, C, D. Okay. Now plus A, B bar. That means plus. We can put the second input as a parallel connection A and B bar. That means we can put here B complement. Okay. And this is my parallel connection and this is my output bar. So this is the XOR ladder logic diagram. Okay, we have also draw the ladder logic diagram like this manner. The first input is A bar into B. Okay, so this is my first input, say Y1, first output. Then next for A into B bar, so we can put here A into B, and this is my second output, and so this is called a Y1, this is called a Y2, so Y1 plus Y2, that means this is my Y1 plus Y2, that means this is my Y2, we can put in the parallel connection, and this is my final output 1. Okay, so using the different gate, we have drawn the ladder logic diagram. And the last gate is XNOR gate. Okay, so this is the complement of the XOR gate. So this is the truth table of the XOR gate A, B, and this is the output of the XNOR gate. When 0, 0 it is 1, for 0, 1 it is 0, 1, 0 it is 0, and 1, 1 for 1. Okay, so using the different logic gate, we have to draw a ladder logic diagram for this system. Okay, now what is the ladder logic diagram of the XNOR gate? First of all, we have put the XOR gate, and then simply we can complement this output. Okay, thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt, then contact me in my email ID.